This is a quick tutorial on how to create or edit an offer letter for Oracle Recruiting Cloud. First, locate or download a copy of the offer letter to be edited. Once you have that open in Word, be sure and open BI Publisher. Once Publisher is open, click on the sample XML link and download a copy of the job offer data model. Once that data has loaded successfully, click OK. And to view the actual data, click on the field link. This will open up the actual data model, which is a list of all variables or tokens that are available to be used in the offer letter. To use a variable, basically click on it, hold down, drag it to the offer letter at the place that you want it to reside, and release, and that token will be placed in the offer letter. Continue to do this until your offer letter is the way that you want it. I'll remove it. Close the data model. Go to File, Save As, and save this in the folder, but save it as a rich text format document, not a Word document. It has to be a rich text format document. Click on Save, and you've completed the edit process for your offer letter. Once you've saved your offer letter in the appropriate folder, you'll notice that you'll need to have an RTF version of the document as well as a zipped version of the document. The zipped version of the document is the actual version that will be uploaded into Oracle Recruiting Cloud. So be sure and retain both. Now that you've saved your offer letter, it's time to upload it in the system. So we need to go to Setup and Maintenance. Change your setup to Recruiting and Candidate Experience. Open Recruiting and Candidate Experience Management, and then open the Recruiting Content Library. Once the library is open, click on Show Filters. Click on Internal and External. This is the easiest way to find a copy of all your offer letters, and then click on Job Offer Letter Template. And this will get you a list of all current, internal, and external offer letters. Identify the offer letter that you want to replace, and then go to your Actions button, copy to create a new version, then go to your file where you've saved it, select the zip version of the offer letter to be replaced, load it, and it will show up in the field name field here. Click on Start Activation. Unless you plan on activating at a later date, you can put a date and time in this field here. Go to the Action button where it says Save as Draft, click on Save and Activate. For the purposes of this, I won't actually change the offer letter because I don't want to update the letter that I have in there. Once you click on Save and Activate, it will upload the latest version into the system, and you've edited and changed the offer letter in the system. Once your newly edited offer letter has uploaded into the system, go back to the Recruiting Content Library and look at the letter that you've replaced or updated, and make sure that the date that you are expecting is in the date field. So if it's a current date, it would be today's date. If it's a future date, the future date would show up here. So that was a quick tutorial on how to edit and update and upload a new letter into Oracle Recruiting Cloud. I hope it was helpful, and I do appreciate you watching. Thanks.